Question 22, part A. On the grid above, draw the line x equals 3. So, if we're trying to find x equal to 3, we know that x equals 3 at this point on the axis. But x was also equal to 3 here, and here, and here. In fact, anywhere on a straight line which crosses through x equal to 3, x has the same value and coordinates. So that would be the line of x equals 3. For part B, on this grid, draw a line of y equals x. It's a very common question, this one. We try to find all the points where y is equal to x. The easiest one is right in the middle, where both values are equal to 0. So we know the line is going to pass through the origin. So when x is 1, y should be 1 as well. When x is 2, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 3. When x is 4, y is 4. So what this does is create a diagonal line which goes through the origin, making all the points on it the same for both x and y. Let's quickly redraw that. So any point that we choose on here, x and y should be the same. So for example here, negative 3, negative 3, negative 4, negative 4. Part C, find the gradient of the straight line drawn on this grid. Gradient is a measure of steepness, and it's easily defined by saying it's how far up a line goes for every one square that you go across. To show this, we're going to pick this point here on the y-axis and draw a line that goes across one square. Then we're going to go up until we hit our line and say, how far up have we gone? Well, in this case we've gone up 1.5, so therefore our gradient is just 1.5 or 1.5. Now that'll be good enough to show a method because we've drawn our little triangle. But if we didn't know that, the other way that we can do this is to divide the number of squares up by the number of squares across. So I'm going to change colours to show an alternate method on this one. If I draw a really big triangle on here that goes from the bottom corner across and then up to the line, using the grid to indicate exact numbers, you can see that this triangle goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares up. So I'm going to do 9 squares up divided by the number of squares across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 divided by 6 will tell us how many squares up it goes per square down across the bottom, which in this case would be 1.5 or 1.5.